Yeah, still 19th June, still at the little building, still working on the John Deere 850. Had some bare wires, which I think is what caused the fuse to blow. I repaired those. Crimp style connector, wrap with self-vulcanizing rubber tape, then wrap with vinyl electrical tape. If that was a problem, it should be fixed. And oh, cup holder. This is the damage I got to my roof panel. That's plastic. I got a part number in the manual. I'm gonna do a quick search, see if I can find a used one. It's a maybe. I got a hole there in that area. I'm guessing it should be a couple $100 plus freight. That's not a must-have, that's a want-have. I did order the front tires off of Amazon. 3 rib, 5x15 with tubes, $150. Then 8 3/4 sales tax, freight paid. I'll be here Monday next week, or be at my house. Got my own tire machine, 38 miles from here. I might just pop them off and take them to a local tire shop, tell them to get after it. Or I'll do it myself, who knows. But problem is 38 miles each way, $20 per to mount with tube and get rid of the junk tires. It's kind of a wash. Every one of my grease fittings took grease just fine. I had 0 issues on any grease fitting on the tractor. I'm gonna get some high temp black and paint my muffler and exhaust pipe. I don't think I have any left, but I guarantee you I don't. And waiting on a call from my computer guy. My computer is giving me fits with pop-ups, and I need him. I've got a good antivirus and is running another scan. I need him to go through it. It's an antivirus program that's the cause of the pop-ups. It's McAfee, or however you pronounce that, and C Cleaner, which I don't know what the hell that is either. But I need to make sure both of those things are removed completely from the computer and blocked if possible. It's irritating when you got to deal with 50 pop-ups when you're trying to look for something, and I'm not exaggerating, it's literally 50 pop-ups plus. So, I'll probably take my waste oil to the recycler this afternoon and get my cans emptied out. And something else I can do on my chipper. That thing runs like a brand new one. Now, just so you know, even though it's a chipper, it's still a lot of work. And the top bin, I say that's strictly for leaves, because if anything gets crosswise down at the bottom, it won't let it go through. We had to unplug it half a dozen times. That's why I got this stick right here. This side bin, it does not like a crook in a large diameter branch. Crook being, this is what we call a crook, but imagine 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches on that branch. It don't like those at all. And like I said, it's a chipper, but you're working feeding this thing, and there's a trick. Go on Amazon, get you one of these little handheld 4-inch chainsaw. They got 4-inch, they got 6-inch. Okay, that's my bar and chain oil in my little condiment squirt bottle. This thing here, instead of a big ass chainsaw or a corded electric or even a cordless 12-inch bar, look at here, got no weight, and the battery lasts a really long time. And I was cutting branches at least 4 inches, probably closer to 5 with this thing. and just chewed right through it just like a chainsaw. And it's a chainsaw. Be careful where your fingertips are in relation to the chain. Hint. But yeah, Amazon, I don't remember what I paid for it, but it wasn't much. And I also got spare bars, and I think 3 or 4 spare chains. It comes with a quart of bar and chain oil, but it don't have an oiler, which is why I'm using my little condiment squirt bottle. What brand is it? Red. It says 21 volt. Mini chainsaw. They got a whole slew of them. This cover is cross-threaded. That's how it arrived. I got to fix that while I'm thinking about it. It's a nylock nut, but they barely got it started. And then they cross-threaded it. It ain't gonna fall off, but I can fix it real quick. Ain't nothing. So yeah. These things are great. These things. I wish I'd bought one years ago. Like I said, I got a repaired spine. I have to be real careful about the amount of stress I put on my lower back. It don't take much and I'm crippled for the next day. And the wife was a big help. And like I said, we chipped up at least 6 up pickup bed loads. It was 6 pickup bed loads, at least. It was a bunch. And yeah, I love my little $250 chipper. This thing is the secret. And a chipper will work you to death. So, and it was also, the heat index yesterday was over 100. It was miserably hot. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.